This morning, a cold front made landfall in the Western Cape, and right now, ahead of this cold front, a band of storms is affecting the eastern half of the country. The South African Weather Service issued a watch for severe thunderstorms this evening over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, the western interior of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the southern highveld of Mpumalanga, where large hail and damaging winds could occur. Some of these storms could also cause heavy falls of rain along the eastern escarpment overnight and into Friday. Now, here's a look at our futurecast. As the cold front moves further east, moderate to heavy precipitation will spread to Gauteng, the highveld of Mpumalanga. It's going to be much cooler in the east tomorrow, while dry and sunny weather is expected in the west. Our rainfall probabilities for this evening: there's an 80% chance of rain on the border between KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Severe thunderstorms are possible in a similar area, with scattered thunderstorms likely overnight over the southern parts of Limpopo, as well as the highveld, with rain clearing from the west in the Western Cape. Here's a look at Durban's forecast for this evening. It's going to be quite stormy. Strong southwesterly winds are likely reaching speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, with an overnight low of 22 degrees. Our wind stream map for the next 24 hours shows strong southwesterly winds, not just for Durban, but the entire KwaZulu-Natal coastline overnight and on Friday. It's also going to be quite a windy afternoon, with speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour along the west coast on Friday, with lighter winds over the western interior. Dry weather overnight results in low morning temperatures for this Friday. 5 degrees initially in Sutherland, 8 in Graafrenet, a low of 12 in De Aar. It's going to be slightly warmer along the southeastern coastline, 15 initially in Port Elizabeth, Johannesburg at 15 as well, with a fairly warm morning along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. Afternoon temperatures are going to be affected by a lot of cloud and rain in the east, a high of only 18 degrees in Bisho, 19 in Pietermaritzburg, slightly warmer in Gauteng, 27 in Johannesburg, Pretoria with a high of 29, and Cape Town warming up to 26 degrees. On Saturday, hot weather likely for the western parts of South Africa, although it's still going to be quite wet in KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. By Sunday, isolated thunderstorms are expected for the northeastern interior.